This video is going to be trading plan number 7. Judging off the 6 hours time frame, it looks like we want this highs here for NQ and for ES. However, we are in Wednesday. For this Wednesday itself, for today, we have news drivers at 8:15, 8:30 and 10 a.m. I think it is going to be a very volatile day because tomorrow, Thursday, it's going to be a bank holiday. So in my opinion, I think we are going to continue to expand higher into new all-time highs, right? So basically this is the all-time highs for ES and this is the all-time highs for NQ. I think based on the chart that is presented to me, I think we are going to attack all-time highs. Okay. However, I'm not going to hold for that objective. My objectives is very simple. I'm only looking for previous sessions highs and lows. And if I can get a trade in London, I would most probably skip New York, because New York is going to be very volatile and there's 3 news events. I'm not sure if it's going to allow any chance for a entry, so we shall have to see. It could do something like yesterday whereby it just expands higher from 9:30 and then it never looked back. So right now what we have is Asia's highs and lows. This candle right here is Asia's highs and lows. It's good that we have a consolidation in Asia. Okay, and I am guessing that we are probably going to have a consolidation in London in preparation for news drivers in New York. So my focus is this fair value gap right here for ES and this wick right here for NQ. To me, I think this wick should support the price to go higher, which means we don't want to see candles trading below the wick because we have already closed above 50% of the wick. So this swing high here is very highly likely to be attacked. So that would be the short-term objectives for NQ. And if NQ is to take out this high, I believe ES can trade into the consequent encroachment of this wick here, which is right here at 5575. The low hanging fruit would be 5570. That would be the 25% of the wick. So my focus will be on these 2 levels and that 6 hours fair value gap. Let's see if we get any interesting market structure on 90 minutes. All right. Okay, so for me, looking at this, I don't like how we have consecutive up close candles like this, because in an event it wants to reverse, it's going to reverse very hard and it's not going to allow early stop loss cutouts, which means, like, let's just say I have my stop loss here and it just trades lower. I won't have the opportunity to engage in a cutting loss management for the trade itself. So this scenario here, this up close, this consecutive up close expansions here, to me, I think it's very hard to determine whether it's going to hold or is it going to fail, right? The same way it runs up, and in the same time it's going to reverse if it wants to. So overall, we're in the accumulation of my higher time frames. Even though my bias is towards the upside, I have to be open-minded because it can just choose to reverse back into the 50% of the current dealing range. So I have to be very mindful of that. Okay, and depending on we take out, like, which level we take out first, if we take out Asia's high first during the London session, I would be personally looking to look for Asia's low, right? Vice versa. That's how I'm going to work towards today. Right, so hopefully I get something in London. If not, I'll have to wait for the same timing, 10:30 in New York session. If I was to force a bias, I would like this fair value gap right here as the inversion fair value gap. For NQ, I don't really have any levels here. Probably this fair value gap would be enough because NQ it's way more bullish than ES. Right? And with that, I shall end this video. I hope you enjoyed it and good luck trading today.